Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this simple and quick video, I will show you how to verify crypto.com account. First and foremost, open up your crypto.com wallet like this. Now, once you open it up, tap in the wallet settings over here. Once you tap in the wallet settings, what you'll do is quite simple. If you scroll down over here, you'll see a variety of options. But to verify your account, what you do is quite simple. Tap on this over here, the recovery phrase, and make sure that you've backed it up, because when you back it up, it shows that you've really verified your account. So tap on that. Once you tap on that, you can then choose where you want to back it up. For my case, I'll choose writing it manually, or I'll choose backing it up on my Google Drive. So I'll choose that. Once I choose that, it will then start loading up a bit. So for this case, you have to be patient because it's kind of a long process and it needs patience. So for this case, I'll choose my email of my choice. So after choosing the email of my choice, what I'll do is quite simple. I'll then wait for it to start loading, as you can see. Now click on continue and then sign in to DeFi wallet, as you can see. Now give it permission to access everything and then tap on continue. So once you're done with that, everything is good to go. You've verified your crypto.com wallet. And at this stage over here, you're requested to create a password so that you can use this password to access your verified assets over here. So for this case, just create your password over here. So I'll quickly create my password. And then I'll again rewrite my password. And then after confirming my password, I'll then just add a symbol because it's vital for the password security. Then after adding the symbol, acknowledge this and then click on confirm. So after that, everything will be good to go and you would have verified your crypto.com account successfully. So that's it guys for today. Like and subscribe. Until next time, we shall meet once again.